The rapid evolution of financial technology has brought forth numerous cash advance solutions, with Giggle Finance emerging as a notable player in the digital lending space. This service positions itself as a modern alternative to traditional payday loans, offering instant cash advances through a mobile-first platform that promises to revolutionize short-term lending. Understanding the mechanics of Giggle Finance requires a deep dive into its core offerings, which primarily focus on providing immediate access to funds based on users' earned wages. The platform utilizes advanced algorithms and banking partnerships to verify income and employment status, creating a seamless experience for users seeking quick financial solutions. The growing demand for flexible financial solutions has made services like Giggle Finance increasingly relevant, especially among millennials and Gen Z consumers who prefer digital-first financial services. This review will examine every aspect of the service to help you make an informed decision about whether it's the right choice for your short-term borrowing needs. At its core, Giggle Finance operates through a straightforward process that begins with downloading their mobile application and connecting it to your bank account. The platform analyzes your income patterns and spending habits to determine your eligibility and maximum advance amount, typically ranging from $50 to $1,000 depending on various factors. The verification process employs bank-level encryption and security measures to protect user data while assessing employment status and income stability. Once approved, users can request cash advances that are typically processed and deposited within minutes, making it an attractive option for those facing unexpected expenses or temporary cash flow issues. The repayment structure is designed to align with your pay schedule, automatically deducting the borrowed amount plus any applicable fees on your next payday. This automated approach helps prevent missed payments and potentially negative impacts on your credit score, though it's crucial to understand that Giggle Finance may report payment history to credit bureaus. The primary eligibility criteria for Giggle Finance focus on steady employment and regular income rather than traditional credit scores. Applicants must maintain an active checking account with at least 3 months of direct deposits, demonstrating consistent income from an employer or other verified source. Additional requirements include being at least 18 years old, having a valid government-issued ID, and residing in a state where Giggle Finance operates. The platform also considers your average monthly income and spending patterns to determine eligibility, with minimum income requirements varying by state and individual circumstances. The approval process typically takes minutes, with the platform's algorithms analyzing banking data in real time to make lending decisions. This approach makes Giggle Finance accessible to individuals who might not qualify for traditional loans due to limited credit history or less than perfect credit scores. Giggle Finance implements a transparent fee structure that differs from traditional payday loans by charging a percentage-based fee rather than interest rates. The standard fee ranges from 5% to 10% of the advance amount, depending on factors such as advance size, repayment history, and state regulations. Understanding the total cost involves considering both the advance fee and any potential express processing fees for instant transfers. The platform clearly displays all applicable charges before users confirm their advance request, ensuring full transparency about the total amount due on the next payday. When compared to traditional payday loans, which often carry APRs exceeding 400%, Giggle Finance's fee structure typically results in lower overall costs for borrowers. However, users should carefully evaluate their ability to repay the advance plus fees to avoid potential financial strain. The primary advantage of Giggle Finance lies in its instant accessibility and user-friendly mobile interface, eliminating the need for lengthy application processes or in-person visits to financial institutions. The platform's automated approval system provides immediate decisions, making it an effective solution for emergency expenses. Another significant benefit is the absence of traditional credit checks, making it accessible to individuals with limited or imperfect credit history. The service also helps users avoid overdraft fees and late payment penalties by providing access to funds before their next paycheck, potentially saving money in the long run. The platform's integration with modern banking systems and emphasis on financial education through its app provides users with tools to better manage their finances. Regular users may qualify for increased advance limits and reduced fees, incentivizing responsible usage and timely repayments. Despite its advantages, users should be aware that frequent reliance on cash advances can create a cycle of dependency, potentially leading to financial stress if not managed properly. The fee structure, while transparent, can still represent a significant percentage of the borrowed amount, especially for smaller advances. The automatic repayment system, while convenient, may cause difficulties if insufficient funds are available on the scheduled repayment date. Users should carefully consider their upcoming expenses and ensure they can afford both the repayment and their regular bills. Privacy concerns may arise from the need to provide banking credentials and personal information, though Giggle Finance employs robust security measures. Additionally, the service's availability is limited to certain states, and advance amounts may be lower than some users require. The Giggle Finance mobile application features an intuitive design that makes requesting and managing advances straightforward. The dashboard provides clear visibility into available advance amounts, repayment dates, and historical transaction data, helping users track their usage patterns. The platform's customer support system includes in-app chat, email support, and phone assistance, though response times may vary depending on inquiry volume. Regular app updates introduce new features and improvements based on user feedback, demonstrating the company's commitment to continuous platform enhancement. Security features include biometric login options, real-time fraud detection, and encrypted data transmission, providing users with peace of mind when handling their financial information through the app. The interface also includes budgeting tools and financial insights to help users make informed decisions. When compared to traditional payday lenders, Giggle Finance offers more competitive fees and a more streamlined digital experience. The platform's use of technology for income verification and automated approvals sets it apart from conventional cash advance services that require extensive documentation. In the digital lending space, Giggle Finance competes with other fintech platforms offering similar services. While some competitors may offer larger advance amounts or different fee structures, Giggle Finance's focus on user experience and quick processing times makes it a strong contender in the market. The platform's integration with employer payroll systems and banking infrastructure provides advantages over peer-to-peer lending platforms, offering more reliable and consistent service. However, users should compare multiple options to find the best fit for their specific needs and circumstances. The repayment process is automated through ACH withdrawals synchronized with your pay schedule, typically occurring on your next payday. Users can view upcoming payment dates and amounts through the app, with the option to manually repay advances early without additional fees. In cases where users anticipate difficulty meeting the repayment deadline, Giggle Finance offers limited flexibility through their customer service team. However, failed payments may result in restrictions on future advances and potential reporting to credit bureaus, making it crucial to maintain sufficient funds for repayment. The platform's policies regarding late or missed payments are strictly enforced to maintain service sustainability, though they generally avoid the aggressive collection practices associated with traditional payday lenders. Users should thoroughly review the repayment terms and communicate proactively if issues arise. Giggle Finance presents a viable solution for individuals seeking short-term cash advances, particularly those who value convenience and digital accessibility. The service's transparent fee structure and quick processing times make it a practical option for emergency expenses or temporary cash flow gaps. For optimal use, potential users should treat Giggle Finance as an occasional financial tool rather than a regular source of funds. Success with the platform requires careful budget planning and ensuring that advance amounts plus fees align with your ability to repay without compromising other financial obligations. While the service offers several advantages over traditional payday loans, users should still compare alternatives and consider long-term financial strategies to reduce reliance on cash advances. Giggle Finance works best as part of a broader financial management approach that includes emergency savings and proper budgeting.